sitting here waiting for Curtis to finish one spot and move, but I just got a call from Victor and Megatron 2.0 is ready. So I'm hoping if Curtis has the time today, we can strap on the dump truck and go pick up 2.0. And it's going to be sweet. Wait till you see it. Victor put in a new seat for me. You know, he knew I got back issues, and he put in an air ride seat, and then he won't let me pay for that part of it. I'm like, come on, you can't do that, man. But evidently, he's probably sold 3-4 bigger tractors and a bunch of smaller ones off of the way we've liked it. So business is picking up a little, which is really good. I mean, we just wanted to help there. So huge news today. Hopefully we'll be getting 2.0 today or by the end of the weekend maybe. So stay tuned.